Hey plant lovers! Today on Leafy Life, we're counting down the top 10 low-light indoor plants that are easy to care for and perfect for any space. Let's jump right in. 1. Snake plant, Sansevieria trifasciata. The snake plant is your go-to for low-maintenance greenery. Its tall, stiff leaves not only add a modern touch, but also purify the air. Thriving in low light and requiring minimal water, this plant is perfect for busy or forgetful plant owners. Place it in a corner with indirect light and watch it thrive with almost no effort. The snake plant is a resilient, stylish addition to any space. 2. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamiifolia. The ZZ plant is nearly indestructible, perfect for low-light areas and anyone who struggles to keep plants alive. Its glossy, dark green leaves add elegance, and it requires minimal care, just occasional watering. This plant is a slow grower but rewards you with lush, beautiful foliage that brightens any room. For a fuss-free, stylish plant, the ZZ plant is ideal. 3. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum. Pothos, or devil's ivy, is a low-light wonder with heart-shaped leaves that add a lush, vibrant look to any room. It's incredibly easy to care for, thriving in various light conditions and requiring only occasional watering. Whether you let it trail down or train it to climb, Pothos is perfect for adding greenery without the hassle. 4. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. The peace lily is a classic low-light plant with elegant white blooms and deep green leaves. It's also a fantastic air purifier, making it both beautiful and functional. Peace lilies prefer regular watering but are otherwise easy to care for. They thrive in shaded corners, adding a touch of grace and tranquility to any space. 5. Cast iron plant, Aspidistra ilacior. The cast iron plant lives up to its name, thriving in low light and tolerating neglect. Its long, dark green leaves bring a classic touch to any room. Ideal for beginners or those with busy lifestyles, this plant is nearly indestructible. The cast iron plant is perfect for adding greenery to your space without much effort. 6. Parlor palm, Chamaedorea elegans. The parlor palm adds a tropical vibe to low-light spaces. This compact, slow-growing palm is easy to care for and perfect for bringing a touch of greenery to your home. With its soft, feathery fronds, it creates a calm, elegant atmosphere without needing direct sunlight. The parlor palm is an ideal choice for low-light interiors. 7. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema. Chinese evergreens are adaptable, low-light plants with striking patterned leaves. They're forgiving if you miss a watering, making them perfect for busy plant parents. Whether you prefer silver, pink, or red hues, there's a variety to suit your taste. This plant brightens up low-light areas with minimal care. 8. Dracaena. Dracaena plants are bold and resilient, thriving in low-light conditions with minimal care. Their sword-like leaves make a striking statement, and they're great for purifying the air. Perfect for adding drama and greenery to any space, Dracaena plants are low maintenance and stylish, making them a great addition to your home. 9. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Spider plants are a classic, easy-to-grow option for low-light spaces. Their arching green and white striped leaves make them perfect for hanging baskets or tabletops. They're also great air purifiers and can produce baby plants or pups for easy propagation. The spider plant is a healthy, attractive choice for any room. 10. Heartleaf philodendron, Philodendron heteroecium. The heartleaf philodendron is a low-maintenance plant with beautiful heart-shaped leaves. It's perfect for low-light areas and can grow in hanging baskets or on a trellis. This plant adds lush greenery to any room with minimal care, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced plant lovers alike. Thanks for watching. If you found your next plant buddy, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick plant tips. See you in the next video. Happy planting!